Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Members of Parliament, fellow citizens, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Speaker, sir, before I commence, let me just comments on the visit by Her Excellency the President of India. A truly delightful lady. I was honored to be given the privilege to meet her at Nandi Airport and at Sheraton. Truly delightful experience. And I was quite certain that I did not see the opposition at the traditional ceremony yesterday. And as you know, that going forward, this government now does not exclude anybody. So I think we made a commitment to correct that going forward, Honorable Speaker. On the Modi one, Honorable Speaker, the arrangement was such, in writing, delivered to the Sodalpa people at the time, that the leader of the opposition, Honorable Kepa, would deliver the vote of thanks. But 2 days before the event, government said, opposition, you got no role to play in this, we'll do it all. We were boycotting the heavy-handedness of the Fiji First Party, not Prime Minister Modi. Let me clarify that. Let me clarify that. When you write a program, and the program came from Parliament, which is sovereign. Parliament said, Sodalpa, leader of the opposition, you give the vote of thanks. But then the Prime Minister came in at the time and said, no, we will do it all. So that's it. Not against Prime Minister Modi, who we cherish very much, but the heavy-handedness with which it was handled. We were protesting that. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I just thought we'll clarify that. Thank you. As the Minister responsible for civil aviation, I rise today to shed light on the recent incidents involving a Northern Air, Britain Norman Islander, BN2A, aircraft at Gvaoka Aerodrome, on the morning of July 23rd. This incident has understandably raised concerns, but it also presents an opportunity to reaffirm our unwavering commitment to aviation safety and our collective resilience in the face of challenges. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the day the aircraft overran its designated landing area and collided with a rock mound at the end of the runway. Despite the significant damage to the aircraft, I'm glad to report that the 2 crew members and 3 passengers on board were swiftly and safely evacuated without any injuries by airport personnel. This outcome is a testament to the rigorous emergency response procedures and the exemplary professionalism of our aviation personnel. I want to assure this Honourable House and the people of Fiji that aviation safety is paramount for this government. Fiji is a signatory to the Chicago Convention and is bound by the International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO standards. These standards are the bedrock of our national aviation regulations, ensuring that all aircraft, operators, and personnel meet stringent safety requirements. To operate commercially, Mr. Speaker, sir, an aircraft must possess a valid certificate of airworthiness. The airline must hold a valid air operator certificate, and the pilot must be appropriately licensed. Moreover, the airport itself must be certified to accommodate the specific type of operation. This rigorous certification process is overseen by the Civil Aviation Authority of Fiji, CAF, as part of our robust aviation safety oversight system. I want to reiterate the safety of our citizens and visitors is of utmost importance. While the recent incident at Gvaoka Aerodrome is deeply regrettable, It is crucial to understand that a comprehensive investigation is underway to determine the exact cause of the overrun. The findings of this investigation will inform any necessary corrective actions and enhancements to aviation safety protocols. In line with the Civil Aviation Occurrence Reporting and Investigation Regulation 2009, Captain Norman Walding has been appointed as the aircraft accident investigator. Captain Walding has been involved in the aviation industry for 5 decades, starting as a pilot and flying instructor on light aircraft and later as captain on medium-sized twin turboprop aircraft. He spent over 15 years as a senior flight operations inspector at GAF, regulating the domestic aviation industry, during which time he had been engaged to conduct several investigations in the past. Mr. Speaker, sir, accident investigations are pivotal in our quest to enhance aviation safety. They are not about assigning blame, but about uncovering the causes and implementing safety recommendations to prevent future incidents. Fiji's effective oversight of implementation rate is currently sitting above the global average of 61%. The international ICAO audit of Fiji is sitting at 78.7% since 2019, which is a testament to adherence to international standards and our proactive safety measures. Our skies remain the safest, and this investigation will only serve to strengthen that assurance. The aircraft involved, a 43-year-old model, was maintained diligently by the Civil Aviation Authority of Fiji, underscoring the importance of rigorous maintenance and operational standards. Northern Air, which owns and operates 4 aircraft, also owns and operates an additional 3 Cessna aircraft for its South Pacific Aviation Training Institute, SPATI, flying school, which operates out of Nosuri Airport Aerodrome. The airline continues to uphold these high standards, ensuring that our safe aviation operations are conducted safely and efficiently. Our pilots, including those involved in these incidents, are experienced professionals dedicated to the highest levels of safety and competence. Northern Air's aircraft has been certified as airworthy, confirming that the aircraft is in good operation condition. Additionally, the airline's air operator certificate is valid. These valid safety documents reflect our stringent regulatory oversight. Mr. Speaker, sir, the investigation process, which is currently underway, is aligned with the Civil Aviation Occurrence Reporting and Investigation Regulations 2009. The state of occurrence, Fiji in this case, is primarily responsible for the investigation, which includes the notification of the accident to the state of design, manufacture, and to the International Civil Aviation Organization. The Minister responsible for civil aviation appoints the investigator in charge, who is granted extensive powers to assess, access, and analyze evidence, issue safety recommendations, and produce both preliminary and final reports. Captain Walding, our appointed investigator in charge, will ensure a comprehensive examination of the incidents, preserving evidence, inspecting aircraft and components, and accessing manufacturing and maintenance premises as needed. The investigation process typically spans over a year to ensure thoroughness in line with ICAO standards. A preliminary report is expected to be produced in the first phase of the investigation, which is 30 days after his appointment of the investigator, while a final report is expected to be produced by the accident investigator at the end of the investigation, typically after 12 months. As normally expected, after the investigation is carried out and the final report is produced, the Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation ensures that safety recommendations are addressed appropriately and preventive actions that are considered necessary are taken promptly to enhance aviation safety. In addition, the final report is also submitted to ICAO as a guide to future global safety measures. Mr. Speaker, sir, to conclude, allow me to highlight an element that is needed for dissemination for public consumption with regards to subsidies. Now, Aerodrome, like several others, including Bonombalavu, Koro, Vivia, Lakemba, Rotuma, and Kandavu, operates under a subsidy. These island routes, which are not regularly serviced by sea transport, are applicable under the air subsidy scheme. These subsidies are not merely financial support, they are investments in connecting our communities, fostering economic growth, and ensuring that every Fijian, regardless of their location, has access to safe and reliable air travel. Fiji Airports operates 9 international airports and manages Nostra International Airport and 13 domestic out-island airports on behalf of the government. These airports are overseen by Civil Aviation Authority of Fiji to ensure they are safe and secure. These incidents, while unfortunate, is a poignant reminder of our shared commitment to safety, our resilience, and our continuous pursuit of excellence. It is through these challenges that we grow stronger, reaffirming our dedication to the safety and well-being of every passenger who takes to our skies. I wish to re-emphasize that the objective of the accident investigation is to generate safety data and information to aid the prevention of future and similar accidents from occurring. It is not to apportion blame or liability. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.